my channel. My name is Honea Mother Silvers and I'm 6 years old. And then I will show you my hair project. And then here's the hair dryer. Here's the hair dryer. It can also work. You just need to push this one. And then it can go here. But my hair's not wet yet. And then this is the snake stay here. It can also work for you here, but only need to plug this one. And then here's the tail here. It can also tell you here, like this or like this. It's super easy. And then here's the last thing, the hair brush. You know how to use a hair brush, right? Just come to this channel and learn this one. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. I love you, son from. And hit the subscribe button.